There are over 8 million apps available for download today. And that's if we just combine Google Play and Apple App Store. So how can yours stand out? Well, just have a flawless user experience. Quite simple, right? That's why in this video, I'm going to share 5 UX design principles for mobile apps so you can create amazing experiences for your users. Hi, I'm Patricia Boral, CEO of Boral Agency, and for the last 10 years, we've been helping businesses cement a powerful online presence by designing amazing apps and websites following UX principles. Now, let me ask you a question. Did you know that the major reason why mobile apps fail is due to 1. Usability flaws and 2. User experience issues? No wonder 25% of mobile apps don't get used more than once. Well, let me tell you that Google performed a study that resulted in a list of 25 principles for mobile app design. In this video, I'll just go over the top 5 that I believe can make a big difference in your app design. If you want a link where you can find and download all 25, simply request a free app design assessment and I'll make sure to include that on that email. Okay, let's get started. The first principle: organize and label menu categories to be user-friendly. Your goal should be to make it simple to your user to find what they're looking for, so do not overlap menu categories. The second principle: allow users to go back easily in one step. In website designs, you are typically putting the link to the homepage on your company logo. You should follow the same concept for your mobile app. Make it easy for your user to go back in just one step. The third principle is to create frictionless transitions between your mobile app and your mobile website. Sometimes you will need to send your user to your website to either complete a payment, upgrade their membership, etc. This is already frustrating for your user. So if on top of that, the look and feel is different, now you're creating a confusing transition that makes your user interaction not favorable. The fourth principle: make it easy to set up a password. Yes, security is important, but for your user who already has too many passwords to remember, creating a new one only means forgetting it too soon. Instead, make it simple by minimizing the number of steps that they need to do or using a third-party login or fingerprint touch login. And lastly, the fifth: speak the same language as your user. And no, I'm not talking about English, Espanol, or Francois. I'm talking about using brand-specific terms for your call to action. This will cause confusion. Make it simple. And there you have it. Those are the top 5 UX principles for mobile app design. As you know, now more than ever, users are spending way too much time on their phones. We use it for pretty much everything. That's why when interacting with your mobile app, users need to feel engaged and delighted so that you can increase your app retention rate. Remember, your ultimate goal is to create an app that is useful, relevant, and valuable. If you've decided to build an app for your business or already have one, but with little retention, then request a complimentary mobile app report. Simply go to my website or click on the link attached to this video. And as always, if you found this video valuable, make sure that you like it and that you share it so more people can benefit from the tips that I shared today. And I hope to see you next week. Bye!